Roses!
Rosie and Jim, chugging along on the old rag doll. Rosie and Jim, and Patchy steers the boat. We go to play and have a look with Rosie's bag, Jim's boring book. The world drifts by the window frame, and Rosie and Jim, we play our games.
Wah!
Rosie and Jim, finding pictures every day. Rosie and Jim, and Patchy colours them in.
Now, I've drawn the canal, and I've drawn the ragdoll boat. Now, who shall I put on it? I know.
Rosie?
Yeah?
That's Pat? She's drawing?
Jim, that's Pat. Loopy lobes.
Loopy lobes, Rosie.
Good. That's that picture finished. What I need is some good ideas for a picture on this page. Life jacket.
Wah, 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 wah! Thanks, Doc. We're moving, Rosie.
Where are we going to, Jim?
Let's see.
Jim, you see that there?
Yeah.
That's you, that is.
Rosie?
Yeah?
That's you?
I know. Where are we going?
Rosie?
Yeah?
I don't think Loopy Lobes knows where she's going.
Oh, no.
Rosie?
Yeah?
Loopy Lobes just went like this. She went, achoo!
Oh, you mean like this?
Oh dear, everybody seems to have a cold today.
Oh, no! It's all right, Duck, there.
Duck's got the sniffly snufflies as well.
There. Can't get it there. It's hanky for you. Right, there you go, Duck.
Oh, thank you, Duck. I shall have to go to the doctor. Here I am at the doctor's.
Where's she going, Jim?
Don't know, Rosie.
Oh, come on.
Oh, hello. My name's Pat Hutchins, and I've come to see the doctor.
Take a seat, please, and wait until you're called.
Thank you.
Jim, what's Loopy waiting for?
Don't know, Rosie. Rosie?
Yeah?
Looks fun here, doesn't it?
Yeah, those children are having fun.
Next patient, please.
Oh, I think that's me. Thank you.
Come on.
Come in, Pat. My word, that is a loud sneeze.
Excuse me.
Take a seat, please.
Thank you.
Right, Pat. My name's Dr. Faruqi, and I'm here to make you better.
Jim, who's he?
Rosie, he said he's a doctor.
Oh, yeah, he's here to make everyone better.
Yeah.
My word, Pat. That does sound like a bad cold. Right. Do you mind if I take a look at you?
No, not at all.
First of all, I'll have a look in your ears. Let's have a look. Have you got any potatoes in there? Very good. And the other one, please. Oh, that is good. I can see right the way through.
Oh, no, nothing in there, Rosie.
Right. We need to have a look at your throat. I want to count all your teeth. Say ah. Yes, that looks fine. I just need to check your breathing with my stethoscope. Breathe in and out.
Breathe in. Again.
We need to go home, get plenty of rest, drink lots of hot drinks, and if you don't feel any better, let me know. Is that okay?
Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, well, goodbye then, Pat.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Could you make my poorly Teddy better, please? Because he's very ill.
Dr. Jim.
Yeah.
I'm not Dr. Jim.
Jim, if you put this stethoscope on, then you could be Dr. Jim and you could make my Teddy better.
All right then, Rosie. Right then, breathe in. Breathe out. Right, you better. Bye.
Bye.
Keep nice and warm. Bye.
Dr. Jim, my banana's very poorly. Can you fix her?
Rosie,
Yeah?
how many more poorly patients are there?
There aren't any more, Jim, and my banana's got a cold. Hurry up.
All right then. Breathe in, breathe out. Say ah quite loud.
There's pear, because that's poorly.
Another one.
Apple, poorly apple.
Breathe in, breathe out. Say ah quite loud. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Say ah quite loud because Dr. Jim's here to make you better.
Am I poorly fruit? Are they all better?
Excuse me, yes, they're all better.
Yeah.
Excuse me, are there any more poorly fruit for me to see?
No.
Good, right, bye then.
But Jim.
What?
There's lots of poorly cushions.
Rosie, you big donkey! Oh, Loopy!
Now I've got a good idea for a picture. Good. Well, I'm glad I felt well enough to finish that picture.
Rosie, there's you.
Oh, yeah. And Jim, there's you.
Yeah. But Rosie, where's Duck?
Oh. Oh. There's lovely Duck.
Quack. Rosie.
Oh, Jim.